The journey of guava puree begins right here, in fresh farms, where skilled hands harvest the ripest fruits.
Ten cuidado, están muy maduras.
Ponlas en la caja azul.
Make sure the ripe ones go here.
Okay, I got the damaged ones separated. Hold it right there. Clear the bag.
We need quality control on these right away. Move them to the priority line.
Bring that pallet over here, please. Copy that, coming through.
Batch code confirmed. Moving this pallet to staging now.
All right, make sure the count is updated on the manifest. This one is too soft.
Put it in the reject bin.
Here in the final rinse section, the guavas receive a powerful spray of purified water, ensuring peak freshness for the consumer.
Viscosity looks good on this batch.
Agreed, logging the data now.
The fresh guava pulp flows into these tanks, where workers ensure the consistency is perfect before the next stage.
Guava pulp is ground smoothly using cold processing machines to preserve nutrients. Guava pulp ground smoothly using cold processing machines to preserve nutrients.
puree passes through microfilters, removing remaining fibers.
Puree passes through microfilters, removing remaining fibers.
The viscosity is holding steady at 250 centipoises.
Good. Let's check the L value on this batch.
The viscosity is within the target range.
And the color values are consistent with the last batch. We are clear for release.
Scene 20. Temperature stabilization. Puree temperature adjusted in controlled tanks to ensure freshness.
Guava puree, heated gently to eliminate bacteria while preserving flavor. Guava puree is heated gently to eliminate bacteria while preserving flavor.
After pasteurization, the puree enters the cooling section, where a network of heat exchangers rapidly lowers the temperature before bottling.
The viscosity seems slightly off, but the flavor is consistent.
I show 12 bricks. It aligns with the reference.
Okay, let's finalize the report then.
The flavor profile matches the golden standard. No significant deviation in aroma detected.
Confirmed. The consistency is within acceptable parameters.
Following the extraction process, the pure guava puree is transferred to these massive aseptic tanks for sealed storage. Scene 24. The pure guava puree is stored in sealed aseptic tanks. The factory lights...
The pressure looks stable on line 3. Are the nozzles calibrated?
Yes, just finished the last one. We're ready for the puree.
The guava puree now moves to the labeling stage, where our high-speed applicators ensured precision placement on every container.
Expiry dates and batch numbers are precisely printed on each pack as it moves down the line.
Defective seal on this one.
All right, toss it.
Automated scales ensure the accurate filling of every guava puree pack.
Here we see the secondary packaging stage, where robotic arms precisely place the guava puree packs into their final cartons.
This is how fresh guavas transform into pure perfection. Subscribe to explore more inside modern production. This is how fresh guavas transform into pure perfection. Subscribe to explore more inside modern production.